another great etude by Trott. I think you will find very useful. And remember to set the fingers with left hand before the bow strikes the chords on the strings. It's very important that the left hand is always a step ahead of what the right arm is doing. So that's kind of this relationship works here in this little etude. If you guys need help with double stops, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to book a lesson with you and help you learn something new. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.